Looking for a reliable car dolly to tow your vehicle? Check out our Premier Car Tow Dolly and Premier Folding Car Dollies. With the same towing capacities and wheels, these dollies are a great option for any vehicle. But what sets the Premier Folding Car Dolly apart is its amazing folding design. It can reduce in size by up to 50%, saving you valuable space, time, and money. And all our dollies come powder-coated and with a free set of straps. We also offer shipping to the nearest shipping terminal. If you have any questions, our friendly customer support team is always here to help. Call us at 562-788-0416 or visit our website at towsmarttrailers.com to learn more. Choose the model that fits your needs best and let's get started today.